Welcome. In front of me I have OUKITEL WP6 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the Talkback feature on this device. Let's start by opening the settings. To do it, tap on this icon right here. In settings, let's scroll down and select System Settings. Here scroll down and select Accessibility. Now let's tap on Talkback. And to enable this feature, just tap on the slider next to Use Service to enable it. Then tap OK to confirm. Now you can tap on something to select it. The green border will appear around it, and the voice will read to you what it says or what it is. So
when Talkback is on, it provides spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. This can be helpful for people who are blind or have low vision. To navigate using Talkback, swipe right or left to move between items. Double tap to activate an item. Drag 2 fingers to scroll. To turn off Talkback, tap the switch. You'll see a green outline. Double tap the switch. On the confirmation message, tap OK. Then double tap OK. It lists 2 items.
And like the voice said, you can also swipe left and right on the screen to move this border around. Like that.
It lists 2 items. Double tap to activate.
To use items, you need to first select them.
Unlabeled button, out of list.
And then double tap to activate them, like that.
Settings. Accessibility.
To scroll through the menus,
Activate.
you can use 1 finger. You need to use 2, like this. And to turn it off, simply select Talkback.
Talkback on speak items on screen. It lists 27 items.
Double tap it.
Settings. Talkback. Double tap to activate.
Select the button.
Check on.
Double tap it to activate it.
Stop Talkback.
Select
Tap
OK.
OK.
And double tap it to activate it. And that's how you turn on the Talkback feature on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.